Good morning. I want to show you how to make these red coral and silver earrings. They're so cute. They're so versatile. You can wear them with jeans and a t-shirt. You can dress them up in spring with your favorite outfit, or even wear them with a cute summer dress. So let's get started and I'll show you what supplies and tools you'll need. I already made one side. Let's get started on the other side. I'm using red coral chip beads. I picked out 3. I have 2 smaller ones on the side and 1 larger one in the middle. I need 6 inches of 22 gauge wire, some spacer beads. These are in silver tone and I need 8 of these. I need 6 miyuki bugle beads, a large 8mm jump ring, a lever back, and for tools I need my chain nose pliers, flush cutters, round nose pliers, and my bent chain nose pliers. Okay, so let's get started putting this together. I'm going to start with a silver bead. Then I'm going to use 3 of the miyuki bugle beads, and these are glass, so they really sparkle in the sunlight. So I'm going to put 3 of those on. I'm going to add 3 more of my silver beads. Then I'm going to add my coral. So I want the larger one to be in the middle. So I'm going to put my smaller one on, my larger one on, and then my smaller one on. I'm going to add 3 more beads to the other side. My miyuki bugle beads. And then my last bead. Then I'm going to place it in the middle as best I can, and I'm going to bring up the sides to form my oval shape. Adjusting so the corals remains in the middle. So I think this shape is pretty good for me. I'm going to come in with my chain nose pliers, and at the top of my bead, I'm going to push the wire, bend it to the back, like that. I'm going to cut this piece of wire, so I have about 1 centimeter of wire at the top, right here. So I'm going to cut that. And then I'm going to come in with my round nose pliers, and I'm going to start rolling towards me. I marked my pliers with a red marker so I can have a consistent loop on the other side too. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to roll it towards me until my loop touches. I'm going to do the exact same thing as I did on this side. So I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to come in with my chain nose pliers and bend the wire to the back. I'm going to cut off 1 centimeter. And I'm going to come in at my mark that I made on my pliers and roll it towards me. Until I have my loop. Then I'm going to open up my jump ring. I'm going to put my jump ring right through the loops that I just made. Add my lever back. And close up my jump ring. And there you have your beautiful handmade red red coral and silver earrings. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.